Okay, so I'm gonna do me a late trip to Kroger tonight.
Okay, yay, they got the sales paper. It's time. So these are the beef packs that are 3.49. They got the potatoes that are 1.99. The grapes are 1.49 a pound this week. And we just gonna cover these. It's really not that much in here, but I like coming in here because they restock these items at random times. So I found some more of these in the back. I don't want to use it all in the front. I actually ended up putting this stuff in the back because they got too much stuff in here. Like, they don't look like, I don't know. I never tried them before. I ended up putting them back. So I grabbed one of those. Then I seen the price of it. I was like, girl, grab you another one. So I get two, which is not bad. I'm gonna cut them up and can them. Don't be like me, making sure my stuff is clipped. Clip before you get there. But anyway, these are $2.99 each. You can get five in one shopping trip. That's from the app. So it's a good time to go ahead and grab those. These are $3. I grabbed a couple of those. Not quite sure how they taste, but we taking chances. Of course, these are 99¢. I think I'm gonna freeze a couple of these this time. I might come back and get some more. These are 99¢. I'm sure I could find something to do with them. These are 3.49 on the you can get up to five. And these are, when you buy four, they're 1.99 each. And I'm gonna try these out. These are actually when you buy, they're 99¢. When you buy five. That is it. That is all. So the initial total was 156. As you can see, everything is coming off. All of the things were clipped and the
Okay,
in-store
hey y'all.
sales.
So
So it came to
I'm gonna do a
107.
run through of the things that I got. So basically, as you can see, I saved $48 from the original total. So everything came up to about $107 or so. And I got cereal. I got 2 boxes of cereal. I got 2 big pork butts. I got 3 packs of sandwich meat. I got 5 packs of bacon, I believe. What else was this? Oh, with the ground beef that I'll be canning, I got maybe about 6 packs of that. I got 4 packs of chips that were on sale, $1.99 a piece. The beef was on sale for $3.49 a pack, if I'm not mistaken. The peanut butter, I got 2 of them, and I got 3 things of cream cheese. All of them were 99¢ a piece. The grapes was $1.92 because it was $1.49 a pound. And a bag of potatoes that was $1.99. I didn't see any onions. I'll probably come back tomorrow in the morning to see if I can find. But that's my rundown. I think I did pretty good. That was 30 items for $100. So yeah.